To stay up to date with everything here at QCA, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to share our efforts and support our cause. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching.
My name is Sarah Khatija. I'm in 7th grade, and today I will be talking about the importance of the 3 R's: reuse, reduce, and recycle. Reduce. To reduce is to make something smaller. Some examples of reducing are: use reusable bottles, use reusable grocery bags, use one tissue instead of using tons. Reuse. To reuse something is to make use of it more than once. Instead of throwing something away after using it once, ask yourself if there's any way you can reuse it. Here are some examples of reusing. Reuse cereal boxes to make file holders. Reuse water bottles. Reuse toilet paper rolls to organize cables and cords. Recycle. To recycle is to use again or to reuse waste material by converting it into something new. Some examples are: recycle junk mail and cards, donate or sell any books that you no longer read, use disposable plates and cups. Jazakallah khair for listening to my presentation.
Allah